1941 Cadillac Series 60 Special Fleetwood. Take a look at the exterior. It's McKinley gray paint. That's the correct color for the car according to records I got. Research. We'll just do a quick walk around. Other videos will look at the interior and engine bay and mechanical. Today's October the 7th. This car is offered for sale on eBay, and I'm producing this video to help people understand a little bit more about the car. Give an overall view. The paint is nice. I do not claim it's perfect. It's got a few little blemishes here and there, but it's quite nice and presentable. The chrome, I believe all the chrome is redone. This car was restored about 10 years ago, I believe, in Dallas. I could not get the restoration records from the prior owner, unfortunately. And I bought this car in Dallas at a consignment shop about 2.5 years ago. Has the red wheels and has the unusual spears right here on the side. They appear to be correct for the body. I've never seen another one with these spears. They're in excellent shape. Don't know if they came with the car. Car was available with many options, of course, back in '41. And if they did come with the car, then they have been re-chromed or replaced because they're in perfect shape. Take a peek up above here. The paint is nice up here. The Texas sun has done a little bit of work on it, but it has a nice shine to it nonetheless. Gonna look at some of the trim here. See, of course, this is the AC system for the car to bring air into the compartment. The mechanical part of the windows up and down work fine. Kind of get an idea of what some of the trim looks like here. The stainless trim on the doors is nice, shines up very nicely. Trunk latches are in good shape. I believe they've been re-chromed or replaced. This emblem is pretty good and has a little bit of, could require a little bit of paint to be absolutely nice. Here's our trunk handle and backup light. Here's kind of a look at the chrome. I know it's difficult to tell chrome from a picture, but this chrome is quite nice. Of course, we've got the gas cap here, and we've got the fender skirts here on the back. I think it adds a great touch to the car. The rubberized portions are in nice shape. They're pliable still. I believe these are rock protectors. Some of the emblems down here. And here's a view of the wheel and hubcap. Hubcap is just about perfect, I think. These are Coker bias ply repro tires on this car. They were on the car, so I kept them. These lights, I believe, were added after the fact because they're controlled by a toggle switch under the dash. There could have been a light here, I believe, but someone put these lights on. They work fine as floodlights, fog lights. I think those were added probably after the fact. Hood ornament, Flying Lady Goddess, is quite nice. She's either been replaced or re-chromed for sure. Don't think there's any defects there at all. The wipers work fine. They are vacuum controlled, as you probably know, but the wipers do work fine on this car. The radio antenna is also supposed to be vacuum. It used to work. You could control it from the knob, but I think there's a vacuum leak and it no longer goes up and down. There's our external door hinges and a little bit on the mirror, just to give you an idea. some of the trim on the side. So this is a look at the exterior part of the car. I will now do a look at the interior.